Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to answer the question, what's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Let's go! Okay, so we have here a box from Buy and Ship Consolidation. And let's see what we have. I think this should contain 2 items from our Buy and Ship card. And we have here paper. So we have, first and foremost, finally, we have the Phoenix Warp World in our possession. Okay, so this was part of the auction that we joined online, so we won it. So thank you for Huntington's, if I'm not mistaken, and Howard Brock for shipping this Warp World figure. Finally completed, or have this in my collection. Separate unboxing incoming for this figure. And we also have this set of figures. Let's see who they are. I think this one I ordered from Troll and Toad, if I'm not mistaken. And this should contain team-based figures. As you guys know, I was able to purchase a set of team bases from Wolverine and the X-Men in my Singapore trip. But not all the figures are available in the team bases. I already have the team base, a complete set of team base, but since I have extra, I want to create my own second set of team bases. So we have Namor, okay, from Invincible Iron Man set. Okay, that's it. I think I already have the figure, but not the card. And another Namor from the same set, 203, and the same sculpt. Then we have here Shadowcat. Now these are the team-based figures for Excalibur, for New Mutants Mirage, for Shi'ar, Oracle, X-Men, Blue Team, if I'm not mistaken, Sunspot for the New Mutants, Starbolt is Shi'ar, Gambit for the X-Men, Smasher, Shi'ar, Magneto is Brotherhood of Mutants, Phoenix, Excalibur, Colossus, X-Men, and Scarlet Witch is not in a team base, but we don't have her yet, so we're lucky to have her. This is from Avengers versus X-Men set. Oops. So we can put him on a team base as well. So let's take a look quickly at the figures. That's Scarlet Witch. Okay, small scale figures. We have here Phoenix. Where is your base? There you go. Then we have Shadowcat. Okay. We have Colossus, Gambit. So this one is, I think, the most expensive from the batch because he is a rare and he is Gambit. But take a look at that sculpt. Okay, throwing the traded ace cards. We're missing the ace of clubs. Then we have Cyclops. Okay, I'm glad that the beam is not ruined. We have Smasher here. We have Starbolt, Sunspot, Mirage. We have Magneto's base and himself. And finally, we have Oracle. Oops, I think we're missing the card. Oracle's card is here. Okay, Oracle. Okay, so that's it for our hauls. Buy and ship, always a good expecting when they consolidated the items and the items arrive safely. Definitely will use the system. Again, in the future, team-based unboxings might be in the horizon for us. Or I would say team-based construction. Let's go! Bye-bye, everyone!